up in the top left is where I like to start as I go through everything. So this is our 3D pitch clock. So this is a great feature. This is showing you what the ball is doing at the release point of the throw. So this is going to give you the actual seam orientation of the ball at release point. The yellow triangle is your arm slot. The blue triangle is your spin direction. The blue line around the ball, that's your spin axis. And then one of my favorite features, this orange, it almost looks like a fingerprint. That's the last touch of the ball. So that's as that pitcher is throwing the baseball, as it's coming off of his fingertips, that's showing you exactly how it's coming off of his hand. This obviously is a really good pitch. You got a 97% spin efficiency. You can see that even though he's a 3/4 guy, he's about a 2 o'clock arm slot guy, he's still getting directly behind the ball. So that last touch is right behind the ball, and that's going to allow you to have that really good true backspin and that good carry. And that's why that's a 97% efficiency, because he's staying right behind that ball. A lot of kids, younger age, I mean, even older too, myself included, I get on the side of the ball really bad when I throw, and that's not good. That's not good for spin efficiency. That's not good for, good carry on the ball, good spin. So every now and then you'll see that last touch over here towards the side of the ball, or sometimes maybe down underneath the ball. That's when the guy's getting underneath or getting on the side, and that's not what we want as a four-seam fastball. So this is a great tool all by itself to make sure that when you're releasing that ball, that it's coming out of your hand correctly. Break force, this is showing you so this is in ounces, 0 to 5. This is showing you how much break force you're putting on the ball based on the amount of spin. So the more spin, the more break force, the more that the baseball is going to fight gravity. This is 2, which is fine. Some of the higher professional pitchers are going to be up in the 4. I don't know if it will ever get to 5, but it would be up in the 4 range. This for a junior college pitcher, 2, that's pretty good. If we were to go let's go to one of Robbie's pitches here. So yeah, Robbie, this is a professional pitcher. His break force is about 3. So this is just showing you that's another word for it is Magnus force. But a great way to look at any of these things as well. If you just hold down a button on any of these metrics, it brings up a little bit of a help menu that kind of explains what you're seeing, which is a huge help as well going through the app. And any metric, if you have any questions, just hold your finger down on that graphic and it'll pull up a help menu.